It's a certified 2016 Jeep Renegade. Run wild and free with no limits in this adventure-ready Renegade. It's well equipped with features you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, heated steering wheel, external memory control, rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, voice activation, power sliding sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. The Jeep life fits your life. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.